Alrighty, hello and welcome everybody to today's video. Before we get into this video, we'd like to point out that this is not a paid product review. We have purchased this product on our own from this local retailer for under $150 for this entire sound system. We're going to get into the unboxing here shortly. We're going to point out some of the features on this sound system and why I picked it out and how it sounds and all that coming soon. So please stick into the video. We hope you enjoy it. Give us a like and subscribe for more unboxing videos like the one you're about to watch. Alrighty, so we have the Logitech Z625. It's a powerful THX sound system. Let's go around the box, check out what we got, what all is in the box, and see what we got for our money. Alrighty, on the one side of the box, we can already see this is what our smaller speaker looks like. We have a bass, our volume, and our power button. Nice looking speaker, but we'll really get into it here in a second. Let's go around to the other side of the box. And here we get a little bit more of our information. It is a 400 watt power. Definitely a lot of power here. You guys can read this on your own if you'd like to pause at this time and read it. It just kind of goes into your wattage, your amplification, easy controls and controls. Alrighty. And then a little bit more easier part on the other side, we can see we have a 3.5 millimeter jack, an RCA, and an optical drive. You can connect it to just about anything that has sound going out. So this is going to be really fun. Here's what's in the box: 2 satellite speakers, subwoofer, audio cable, 3.5 audio cable, user documents, and such. And we do have a 1-year limited warranty on this product. So thank you, Logitech. Alrighty, opening up the box, we are greeted by some instructions, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Just kind of shows us how to connect from either device via VGA or aux, or a 3-pin aux, however you're connecting it, however your device you want to connect it to, say your console, your entertainment center, or your media outlet, headphones and such into it. And I'm gonna probably read back on this here in a second, but let's go ahead and get into it. So opening up, we do have this nice thick piece of cardboard, nice open. I don't think there's anything in here. We'll always check back, but it's nice when a company always ensures that their product is secure. We have a nice thick piece of cardboard box. And there's a little bit of dents on the box, but I think it's well packaged. And just to ensure that even more, we can already see our subwoofer right here is in a bag. That's going to protect it from moisture, anything that it might have been in shipment or in a warehouse. This is going to help it out. So it's always nice to see that in a product, that how it comes. Now, I flipped up side the box. It does say on our other side an open tab, so we're going to go ahead and open that side. It doesn't matter, I think, but let's go ahead and open up this other side and see if anything's different, but I'm sure either way we can get into the box. Directly on the other side of the box, we do have the same stuff on our other side that we had. Just tells us how to plug in everything, left and right, optical, right, left, power for your supply, power for your subwoofer, and such. You can kind of look over that. Either way, we're into our box. Now we're on the other side, again with a nice piece of cardboard here, protecting it. Alrighty. Okay, so this is kind of nice. It's a little door here and a little door here. So here's our first door. We got some wires in here. We're going to lay them out and check them out. Our first wire is a 3.5 or 3.8 millimeter jack. Your standard jack for aux cord. And then we have the secondary cord. Can't tell quite what it's for yet, but we will find out. Definitely a thin cable, but I don't see any real prongs on it. But we will learn what all our cables are here shortly. Get back into the box. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this box. We're going to lay everything out, see what's all in the box, and then show you, and then we'll have everything hooked up and show you the audio test. It's nice that we opened up both sides of the box. That way this was easily able to slip out. You can see a little bit of rubbing on the plastic, but of course it's not too much of an issue. But here's everything laid out. We're going to go ahead and unwrap everything and check it all out. Just like to point out, they've also put in the added time to individually wrap each wire, but also our power wire has been wrapped. Everything is zip tied up nicely. We also got this little plastic cover over our outlet prong. Really nice that they put time into doing this with their product. I appreciate every time a product is nicely packaged. It definitely shows the value that they're putting in with their product. You know that they put time into their product, and it definitely shows meaningful to the customer when they are experiencing the unboxing of their product. So I got the subwoofer out. We have one of the speakers out. Still have another speaker out, and then we're going to figure out all our wires and have it plugged up for you real shortly here in 3, 2, 1. Don't mind the cable management, but we still don't know what this random cable goes to. We will find out hopefully shortly. But here is our subwoofer, nice size. Here's our left speaker, and then going into our right speaker, we have our main power cable to our speaker. Definitely a little bit more options on this guy. This is the right speaker. We have our power button, we have our volume button, and then we have our bass button. We have on both speakers our little nice metal mesh covering our speaker. I believe these are plastic, kind of like a polymer, but they're nice, secure, very nice. I'm sure if you jump them, they wouldn't get dinged up too bad. But we also have our aux port on the side. We have a headphone jack on our right one. You can see this big wire coming out of here. This thick wire here is all the way back to our subwoofer, and this is the right speaker. And then our left speaker is just about the same. We just don't have all the fancy controllers. We just have a long wire attaching to it. The wires are pretty nice. I don't know the exact measurement from here to our subwoofer, but I'm sure they're at least 2 feet, maybe 3 feet, probably more, just of wire. So you can tell if you have your subwoofer on the ground, you can easily have each speaker placed pretty far on both sides of whatever your desk is. Sure, it should work for any setup. Our subwoofer. So I'm unaware of what our cable hooks to quite, because I don't see a hole, but I believe because we read on the box, this is the optical cable. Not sure what it's for quite. It's another, I think, aux cord. I'm unaware of that, so for sure. But I believe we have everything hooked up. Pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and run our aux to the back. Going to play some non-copyright music. Going to test our volume features and see how everything performs. Okay, so as you can see, my laptop fits very nicely on our subwoofer. I'm not going to leave it on there, but just so we can show you, we have one of our videos here playing our Milli memory foam unboxing video on the channel. Right now we are at full volume on our system, so we're going to go over here to our right speaker. We're going to turn it up. Right now this is no bass. This is all bass. We're going to go ahead and turn the volume all the way up.
$50 roughly, depending on where you go.
I'm going to turn the volume down. We're going to turn bass all the way off. We're going to turn our volume. We'll go halfway up. We're going to go ahead and step back from 6 feet. I'm in a small room. I do have a lot of objects in the room, so sound can bounce around. But we're going to see how far our sound can really be in this small room. Right now I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from our surround system. We are at half volume with no bass. I'm going to go ahead and blast our sound up and see how it sounds. Right now we're at full volume and full bass just from our speakers and our subwoofer in total. Right now we're about 3 feet away from our speaker. We're going to go ahead and step another 3 feet back. Right now we're about 6 feet away at full volume and full bass. I'm going to show you just the volume control going all the way from low to high.
Kansas Furniture Mart. So if you're in Topeka, Kansas, they got some really nice, great deals.
Going back down to low. Alrighty, now we have looked up non-copyright instrumentals. We have our first one from Tyler Monty McGrim, again with no copyright. That way we can have our audio. Here is his information if you would like to play this audio yourself. Okay. This will also be linked down below for the audio. All right, our audio is all the way on our computer. We have our bass functions here. We're going to turn our bass all the way up because I like the bass. We like the cars. All right, we're going to go ahead and start from low to high. And now we're on high. You definitely see that air. That's the speaker kicking. You can see the torque in the background moving along with it. Definitely got some air coming off that speaker right there. Again, with bass all the way up. We're going to go ahead and turn our bass completely off. Maybe around volume 20 right now. Not quite sure. We can definitely see a little bit low. But you can definitely feel that bass when we're on completely full volume. You saw the tarp I have in the background moving around. But right now we're at a nice calm and chill. It's still a nice little airflow from it. But if we turn it up again, no bass. We definitely hear a little bit of cracking, but of course you have to play around with any type of audio you're using. Go ahead and just let it play on low. We're gonna go ahead and turn our bass all the way up. See how it is on low. Definitely got some high basses, some lows. Alright. So these are again the Z625 Logitech 400 watt speakers. If you are interested in purchasing these speakers, I will post a Amazon link and another link down below for you. I hope this video has influenced you in purchasing this product. Again, this is not a sponsored video, although we love for Logitech to send us some stuff. So if an advisor from Logitech watches this video and enjoys what we're doing here, we would appreciate a email from you. We hope that this helps your company. I'm gonna set up these speakers in my personal setup. I'm gonna have them for quite a while. I'm sure I will do another video on them here in the future. But this is our unboxing video of the Z625s by Logitech. So thank you all for watching today. We hope you are a subscriber. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. And we'd like to welcome you to the channel. We hope you give this video a huge thumbs up down below. Thank you all for watching today's video on the Logitech Z625 speakers. Thank you all for being here today, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day.